We wing it. Just think as you go.
Yeah, cause that's what we do. We've been doing it.
Oh, yeah.
At least the people know. We ain't come up with nothing. We doing it right now with y'all. Y'all just get to watch us be the idiot.
Is it gonna work or is it ain't?
These videos help you know what not to do. Yeah, smoking cigarette.
I didn't say that. What are we doing?
I'll say it. He's smoking another one. Climate control, making all the leaves fall off in the summertime.
I didn't say nothing. I asked what we was doing.
I guess I'm assuming that we doing this. Because I see it out here on the table. Wire connectors. You cannot use these for a fusible link. This is for some people.
Yeah, we probably ain't gonna get to that today.
Yeah, the wiring, we ain't getting to the wiring today, y'all.
You get excited.
Nah, we ain't doing no wiring today. We gotta build something again.
2 more brackets.
We gotta build a something to hold all this stuff together and put all this together.
Yeah, we don't need that many though.
Look at all these.
Some of those are Freddy.
We need all of them.
Nah, we don't.
Well, that's what we're doing today, y'all. This old fuse box. How many times this truck been here under this tree when these leaves fell down? This third life, ain't it?
It's been here a while. Look how long it's been here. It's already rusted. It look like sitting in the back in a field somewhere.
Yeah, look at the brakes. That's why I said I'm gonna have to buy new brakes. Man, they're gone, man.
It's all brand new stuff out it.
That's brand new.
Nah, it ain't brand new, is it? Was it?
Yeah. Brand spanking new, man. They never even had a brake pad smashed on them. They gone. We running. So we taking this out?
Yeah, I guess we could take the whole dash out and then try to figure out how to build a panel up on the firewall behind there. Then we gotta build that bracket over there. We gotta do 2 brackets, remember? 2 brackets today.
Yeah.
This is a 2 bracket day.
Yeah, we gotta get this shit done.
Gotta hurry up and get to the fun part.
Yeah.
The wiring.
Yeah, the wiring. Gotta do some wiring. That's when it's gonna get exciting.
That's when it's going.
We gotta get this baby some juice.
That's when the moment comes, you hit the key and you wonder if it's gonna start or pop. Or
Yeah. What's about to happen, y'all? Cause we don't know.
His wire's gonna get hot and melt.
Yeah, we might not even ought to put the dash in until afterwards. Look at that. We did all of that. That's cool. I bet you we don't ever take the dash off. That's never gonna happen.
We done did 100 times.
That's because we doing it now. If pooping is nature's call, then is farting a missed call? See that shit. That's what I'm gonna remember that. I gotta tell you that.
We just built a panel with 2 little legs on it. We should think about what we're gonna do.
That's what we've been thinking.
We wing it. Just think as you go.
Yeah, cause that's what we do. We've been doing it.
Oh, yeah.
At least the people know. We ain't come up with nothing. We doing it right now with y'all. Y'all just get to watch us be the idiot.
Is it gonna work or is it ain't?
These videos help you know what not to do. I ain't fixing you to like that.
So the 12 volt ain't got to travel so far. It'll go straight from here to the thing that's gonna be sitting right here in front of it. As far as the power wise, because it come from here through this relay right to the thing, and then your switch runs separate. So that way the power ain't got to go all the way to the switch, through the switch, all the way back to the box. You know what I'm saying?
It's a lot of all the way through saying.
Yeah, and
What we need.
to slow down for the people. I need to look at what the people's looking at. All right, that's kind of
That's what I said last
This is how we're gonna lay it out.
That's what I told you last time. You need one of them things you put on your head and the camera right in your eyes right there. So you can
It holds
see.
a phone. I gotta record with a phone. It'd be like goggles. I'd be the YouTuber man. You be the Marlboro man. People out there,
Hey people, update there. This is what we got.
what do we got? Tell the people.
We got this contraption. So we drilled the bigger holes for the socket, for the bolt head, because the bolts are gonna go in right here. We're just gonna go through the firewall. So really,
We're gonna go the other way.
yeah.
Really?
We don't want the ugly out. Outside, we're gonna put the ugly to the truck on the outside to the inside, and then put the nut on. And then this all sits on here. This, and that.
We're gonna put that there, and those there.
Take these two screws out. We ended up cutting this thing. I'm gonna take these two screws out, and there it is. It fits just fine. Look at that. First time, y'all. Right off the hip. Just gonna sit right there.
I don't know, you think we ought to set this in here and see how that's gonna be with the fuse panel? Because you gotta get that little door off the fuse panel. Yeah, that's gonna be plenty of it. Plenty good. We can get right to it. Cool, we just drill them holes and bolt that on, then we get started on that thing. That floppy toppy.
Floppy. Man, that thing, I don't know what is going on. I know we didn't leave it like that. It
Yeah,
just,
we did.
No, that just happened. Let me light my cigarette. Right now. While you turn the camera on. We're done drooled all over. It's been in my mouth for 20 minutes.
Drooling for you couldn't wait.
Tastes good.
Couldn't wait for a cigarette. Nah, I ain't gonna talk about the cigarette.
Why are you falling in the rain?
Did you light it already?
I gotta relight it again. You want me
You
to
ready
tell the
yet?
people?
Yeah,
Look,
we
I'll
waiting
tell
on
the
you.
people.
Tell them.
We're using the same bracket. If y'all remember back in the other video, there's the yellow side.
All right, here's our thing. What do you want to call this?
Sketchy shit.
Sketchy shit. Look at the back side of that thing. Flip it up. Didn't even paint that side up. Nobody gonna see that. Just flip it back. There we go. the old floppy.
Well, check us out. It only needed 2 screws right there. But that's gonna work, so we don't have to build
I don't know how we missed that last time.
You want to tell the people?
Tell them what? You ain't smoking?
It ain't right. This ain't right, y'all. We gotta build a new one.
When you walk into a room, this is what starts playing.
It's not.
That was a jam in the 80s. That was our music, bro.
I did not listen to that.
You didn't listen?
No, I sure the hell didn't. I don't know what you talking about.
You listen to Beastie Boys.
Did. Yeah, I listen to real stuff. That damn
Beastie Boy.
I wasn't out there running into a big field of flowers.
Ice. Vanilla Ice.
I did not listen to Vanilla Ice. He's out there running in the flower patch too. Ice, ice, baby. I thought that was so. It's a sickening of that guy. He's sick. Everybody wants to pop a squad.
You don't think about that song?
Not at all. I never thought about it until you started singing it.
It's gonna be tight this time, y'all. Same bracket, just modified.
Check us out. Man, she's solid, babe. Did we just do what we said we was gonna do for the people? Really?
2 brackets?
Proud of us. What do you want?
Look. What we got going on? We gotta let the people know. We just doing stuff. Did we tell the people what we was doing?
They don't know nothing about what we doing now. They don't know where we at. They just watch. They messing with that thing again.
So we go take this panel out, y'all, and go ahead and get the fuse block stuff mounted to it.
I think we took that out of the different. I gotta put the cigarette out. I can't see nothing. Did you get that?
I think
with
so.
My eyes all jacked up.
It look like Popeye.
Yeah, it was, yeah.
The Marlboro man. You really do need your cowboy hat. It's good enough. So let's put that on, then weld that MSD box in place.
Alright. We need the washers.
Wasn't they in the floor?
There you go. You still like the key. Oh, you got people rolling. I was about to give you hell. I ain't gonna do it from the
You might as well.
You remember how our parents used to do that? Tell us to go get something and then we couldn't find it. And then they'll walk in there and pick something up and find it and tell us we didn't look worth shit. If you look better, you'd be able to find it. Alright.
We could have hooked up all the wires in it.
Mm-hmm. What I was there earlier.
Oh. Alright guys, we got the dash back in there. Mounted our little fuse panel. And set this box back in here so we know where we need to weld it at. I'm gonna try to pull the welder out. Throw a tack on that. Take the dash back out. And weld it up. Paint it.
Paint it. Did you say ain't it or paint it? I welded the piss out of it. Just a little piece.
That's got it.
That shit looks terrible. That's what it is though.
That's why we keeping the dash. It had all that ugly. And the wind starting to blow. The temperature just dropped.
At least 20 degrees. It's almost frigid out
Where
here.
are you smoking all them cigarettes?
I ain't smoked enough today.
We got that thing welded on with some booger welds. But she's gonna be wobbly. We might have to build some supports on this thing, y'all, because that thing is wobbly as crap. It's gonna sit in there and vibrate. It's gonna vibrate all the wires loose.
Yeah, that thing would be driving me crazy. I ain't feeling this.
That's gonna be round 3 on that thing.
Is it getting any warmer out here?
Oh no, I can't even breathe over here. The smoke went right in my face. We got our 2 brackets done, y'all. We came, conquered, and did.
You know why
I'm
though?
saying this.
Because we was planning on it all week. I had it in my head. We gonna build these 2 brackets. I'm done with these brackets and shit.
All right, well, I guess that's it for this one.
Till next time.
See you.
I thought you was gonna say something about me saying till next time. Like I went too fast or did something wrong, so I did pause.
I'm surprised you didn't
And
tell
then
him
you
hit the
said
dinger.
see.
You didn't tell him hit the dinger.
Hit the ding. You gotta tell me, because I didn't.
Hit the thumbs up. The dinger.
Hit the dinger.
Hit the dinger linger.
Hit it once and then go to work and watch it on the computer there, hit it again, just keep watching and dinging on. We need dingers, man.
Alright. Guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See you!
See, we got it.
We got it that time.
Do that 2 times now.